Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to activate your BMO debit card. If you've just gotten your new card from Bank of Montreal, you're in the right place. Activating it is quick, secure, and can be done in a few simple steps, right from the comfort of your home. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have your debit card handy. You'll need the card number, which is usually on the front, and some basic personal information like your date of birth or the last 4 digits of your social insurance number for verification purposes. This helps keep everything safe and sound. Now, let's talk about the main ways to activate your card. The easiest method is online. Head over to the BMO website at bmo.com. Once you're there, log in to your online banking account. If you don't have one set up yet, you'll need to create it first. It's free and takes just a minute. After logging in, look for the Activate Card option, usually under the Accounts or Services section. Enter your card details as prompted, and follow the on-screen instructions. Boom! You're almost done. If you prefer using your phone, download the BMO mobile app from your App Store. It's user-friendly and works on both iOS and Android. Open the app, log in with your credentials, and navigate to the card activation feature. Again, input your card info, verify your identity, and you'll get a confirmation in seconds. For those who like a more personal touch, you can activate your card over the phone. Just flip your card over and call the number on the back. A friendly BMO representative will guide you through the process. It might take a couple of minutes, but it's hassle-free. One more option. If you're near a BMO branch, stop by in person. Bring your ID in the card, and a teller can activate it on the spot. Whichever method you choose, remember to set up a strong PIN right away for added security. And there you have it. Your BMO debit card is now ready to use for shopping, withdrawals, and more. Activating it early means you can start enjoying all the perks without any delays. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.